Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a new font project and setting core metrics. Units per M and baseline matter for consistent scaling. Choose a font editor that fits your budget and workflow, then import reference art or sketch scans of glyphs. Once done, make sure each glyph is named logically and placed on the grid. Short tip: set side bearings early to speed spacing later. You are now ready to trace or draw your first characters. You will trace or draw each glyph with vector tools. Pay attention to stroke weight and contrast, because these define legibility and personality. Once a basic set exists, add anchors for accents and plan ligatures where letters collide. Make components for repeated shapes like ovals and stems, which keeps file size low and edits consistent. Then test spacing with pairs and sample words, adjusting side bearings and kerning groups as needed. Iterative refinement here saves time later. You export your font as open type or true type and embed correct naming and license metadata so systems recognize the file. Once exported, install and test the font in design apps and browsers at a range of sizes. Small sizes reveal hinting issues, while large sizes show shape problems. If something breaks, inspect the glyph for open paths, check the name table for duplicates, and reapply auto-hinting. Finally, regenerate and retest. Small fixes now prevent major distribution headaches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.